Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we will be exploring another good app, and with the help of that, we will be creating presentations in seconds. So what you need to do is you need to log in into Gamma.app. You can see I will share the link in the description. Once you are there, log in and you will see this. So these are gammas. You can see the name that you have provided, updated of your account. Create new AI. Okay, what you want to create? You want to generate, paste in text, or import file or URL. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be generating. So what we can generate: presentation, web page, document, social. Social is beta, but let's start with presentation. Presentation, 8 cards. 8 cards is the number of slides, 9, 10. And if you want to create more slides, then you have to, of course, need to have a subscription. Not a problem. We will generate 8 cards as of now. Language, English, so it supports multiple languages. Let's keep English as of now. Now, what you would like to make? Presentation on AI agents. Presentation. Okay, let's keep it very simple. A presentation on AI agents. Let's see how quickly it generates. So it is 2016. Let's see, generate. Fine. Okay, starts generate. So very quickly. So it's in seconds. So you can see 8 cards. I have 460 credits, and we have 8 cards. So we will continue. So 8 cards in total. There is a limit of 20,000 words. 734 has been utilized. Amount of text per card, medium, detail. I have the capability as a user. You can change the amount of text per card. Let's keep it medium. Image sources, AI images, image style, or keep dynamic colors. Image model is there as well. If you want to image model, imagine Luma. Okay, ideogram. Okay, let's use ideogram. Okay, it is payable. It's not something which is free. Again, okay. So, okay, it just wiped off. Okay, there it is. So we'll continue that. I will just keep it as it is and continue. So it is generating now. So it took seconds to outline everything, and pick a theme. I have to pick a theme: smoke, chimney, dust, icebreaker, blue steel. Looks good. Orbit dune, mocha. Let's keep it this one. Generate orbit. That's it. It's generating now. Here's the magic. Perfect. Wonderful. Finished in seconds. So you can see what are AI agents: autonomous, proactive, reactive, AI agents in action, healthcare, finance, customer service, impact on e-commerce, the economic power. So it has included some stats as well to make it more, to make the presentation more, you can say, concrete. Ethical considerations, future of AI agents, AI revolution. Okay, so you can go to prompt, you can create your whatever you like, and just let us know how it works for you. So keep trying, keep learning AI. So irrespective of whatsoever you are working, in which area domain you are working, you need to learn about AI, the basics of AI. Share the video with your friends and let me know if how I can improve more, because there seems to be an improvement, but I will be more than happy to get your feedback. Thank you very much.